I know you saw this and you thought, what the heck is that? Well, they're Kurents, and I'm here in Cleveland at the Slovenian Mardi Gras to tell you all about it. What's up, guys? I'm here at the Kurent Fest. There are Kurents everywhere. So check this out, it is so much fun, you're going to love it. The whole idea of this Slovenian festival is to scare away the winter and bring in the spring. So these Kurents jump around with really loud noises, you can hear them coming from like a mile away. They have really huge cowbells and they jump around all over the place, and the whole idea is to make as much noise as you can and dance away the winter. As soon as I walked in, I headed for the bar because Collision Bed had a special ale just for this event, so you know I had to check it out. After polka-ing with the Chardon polka band, it was time to go find the Kurents, so I headed over to the end of the parade, which ends right in front of the Slovenian home downtown on 65th and St. Clair.
Booga booga.
Do you make noises?
No. You gotta go roll.
stalking them.
In Florida, right?
Krampus is always the highlight of any festival in Cleveland, so keep an eye out for him whenever you see him. So handsome. Thank you. Yes, sir. Can we shake together? We wanted to explore a little bit more, so we started to head into the Slovenian home, and what we found is going to blow your mind. This was my first time here, so I had no idea what was in store for me, and it took my breath away. I mean, just imagine all the polkas and all the dances that have taken place in this building. This here is where it housed all the vendors, and if you need a bathroom break, guys, there's a bathroom in the back there, and then if you go down to the basement, there's also one in the basement. And at first I thought the bocce ball was a private club, but you can actually go in and watch, and they welcome you to watch. It is a cash bar down here. Your current cash doesn't work, but it's worth it just to watch a couple rounds of bocce.
You guys drink when you play? I mean, no. Yeah, they don't have the other team. They don't have the other team. I think that's
Here they have face painting, and the majority of vendors are all Slovenian style souvenirs and things. So make sure you do stop in here and check it out. And then you have the Slovenian classic, the Slovenian sausage. This line gets really long, but it's definitely worth the wait. I did want to mention they have a 2 tents set up, so they're doing all sorts of different music all the time. I spent most of my time in the polka tent, but they do have other kinds of music. They have a bunch of local food trucks also. This one was a full brick oven inside of a food truck. I've never seen that before, so that was pretty cool. But they have pierogies and all sorts of traditional food also in the food trucks. So there's plenty of food to be had at this festival. They have a whole bunch of heaters and little fire pits around to keep you warm, but you can also go inside one of the tents inside the Slovenian home. Just make sure you dress warm and you'll be fine. With all the dancing and drinks, I had no problem staying warm. I gotta give mad props to the Kurents because they were jumping around like crazy, making all sorts of noise. They must be exhausted underneath those costumes. So I hope they at least got to have a fun night and enjoy all the traditional food and drinks that were to be had. I was laughing the whole time because people are having so much fun at this festival and they're just so oblivious to what's going on. They don't even see this huge Kurent walking by with these big bells and this big headdress. And some people even got scared. It was really funny and everybody just has such a great time at this festival. I was cracking up. In order to get any purchases, you have to pick up these current cash, and you'll be able to use that for alcohol. I think most of the food you were able to pay with cash, but it's definitely a cash-heavy event, so make sure you bring your cash. And again, bless these guys, they have all the patience in the world. I probably took a picture with the same guy over and over again because they all look the same after a while. But they're all about taking all the pictures you want, so feel free to take as many pictures as you want. By now we had been there for a while and I was like, I don't know if spring's coming anytime soon. But then I saw the Easter bunny, so I know spring is definitely on the way, even though today it was only 20 degrees.